In today's video, we are just going to be slicking down our short TWA hair. I'm going to be showing you guys the products I use as well as the whole process. So, to start off this video, we're going to be using a few of these items. As you can see, we're going to use this dirty dude brush. Y'all can see the whiteness in there. That's nothing but gel. We got the brush. We got the wave brush. This is the edges brush, aka a toothbrush. We have our rice water. We don't use regular water no more. We use rice water. Rinse it out in about 3 days. Don't keep it in for weeks and weeks because your hair gonna stink. A big comb, a big tooth comb. And we got us a little tooth comb. I love these. I love that noise. You see that? You hear that? First and foremost, before we start the little music and everything, I just want to let y'all know that when y'all trying to slick down your hair, take your time. Unless you just don't got the time and you don't care about how you look. Because I noticed that when I take my time and I actually spray this water on my hair first, rice water, all over my hair, and I saturate it with water and give it a nice wet base for the gel to be slicked on. Then I take this wide tooth comb and I literally have to comb out everything. Rule number 1, step 1. Now let's go. Ow. As you can see, I'm super duper tender-headed. Like, I don't know, I'm brushing and combing my own hair and I'm tender-headed. So first starting off, I'm taking my brush and I'm literally just, after soaking my hair with water with the water spray, I'm just brushing this gel into my hair, into the shape and the mold that I want it to be at. No, the parting is not going to be perfect right now. Right now, my goal is to just pack this gel on my hair and to really just gel my hair down and to kill the frizziness right now. That's what I'm trying to do. It's pretty much simple and to the point. I'm not going to sit here and do a whole voiceover on the whole video because that would be redundant. I will say this, using the gel that I used, I noticed with my blonde hair, I could see the white, and I literally, at the end of this video, I did not include this, but I had to take a towel and I had to remove a lot of that excess gel because it just looked nasty. But continue watching this video to see the end result. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free and it will help me out a ton. Stay dope, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace.